Tama nga ang hinala ko kanina. We ate early dinner at mga 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Sabi ko gugutumin si Mr. V eh. Yan. Beef burger. Instead of going out to Jack in the Box, which we usually do, eh, meron naman kaming burger buns and cheese and lettuce, mayonnaise. So we'll just make our own burger. So we have burger buns, mayonnaise, and sandwich bread para may pickle relish, and then we have singles, cheese singles, and lettuce. Completos ricados. Kapal ng patty. Ooh, wow. So thick. Kaya nga ba nilabas ko to? Oh, so na-thaw na siya. And I'll just make some burgers for us. It's 12:56 a.m. There we go. Then put some lettuce. Ayan na. Parang Jack in the Box na rin yan. Serve na kay Mr. V. Natulog pa. Yes. Midnight snack. Oh, Mr. V. Mr. V. Gising ka na. Midnight snack is ready. Sabi mo nagugutom ka. Oh, here na. Where's this one? Of course, Coke adds flavor, adds life.